alert warning in effect until this afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Portage River at Woodville. When? Until this afternoon. Impacts at 9.0 feet. The river inundates lower portions of Trail Marker Park and is out of banks in Pemberville. Additional details at 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. The stage was 8.9 feet. Bankable stage is 9.0 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 9.0 feet early this morning. It will then fall below flood stage this morning. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 9.0 feet on January 2nd, 2019. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.